Carbon fiber changed pickleball. More spin, better control, faster ball speed, and in 2026, you don't have to spend $200 to get it. These 5 carbon fiber paddles cover every budget and every skill level, from first-timer sets to a Selkirk raw carbon mid-range that pros actually play. Subscribe before we get into it. The GARYE WL01 is the value performance pick, a USAPA approved carbon fiber paddle with premium carbon fiber. Faceplates and a high-density polypropylene honeycomb core thickened to 0.69 inches, which provides excellent ball bounce and power transfer while keeping each paddle at 7.7 to 8.1 ounces. The carbon fiber performance over fiberglass is clearly reflected in the ball control, placement consistency, and spin generation during ground strokes and overhead smashes. The ridged perforated grip is cushioned for comfort during long rallies. The GARYE set comes with 2 paddles, 6 balls, a carrying bag, and a pair of grip tapes. A full 2-person setup at a budget price. Every GARYE WL01 paddle carries a USAPA approval label for tournament legal use. For players upgrading from fiberglass who want a genuine carbon fiber performance, step up with a complete 2-person kit at an accessible price. The GARYE is a dependable tournament legal choice. The Mten is the all levels complete set, a USAPA approved T703K raw carbon fiber paddle built with cold molding technology, a 16mm polypropylene honeycomb core for vibration damping and stability, and an ergonomic sweat-absorbing grip with ventilation holes. The cold molding process enhances touch and hitting consistency without intense heat, delivering improved spin and dwell time that fiberglass paddles simply cannot match. At 7.76 to 8.7 ounces, the weight is well balanced for extended play, and the 16-inch length provides a full-size court feel. USAPA approved for tournament play. The set ships with paddles, regulation balls, grip tape, and a carrying case. Everything needed to get on the court immediately. For beginners and recreational players who want a genuine T700 carbon fiber upgrade over fiberglass at a budget price with a complete ready-to-play kit, the Mten is the accessible, honest starting point. All the links are in the description. Go check it out. The Selkirk SLK Halo is the only mid-market paddle on this list, backed by a professional pickleball pedigree. Signed pro Paris Todd plays the Halo XL control on tour, and the SLK range is Selkirk's first raw carbon fiber lineup. The T700 raw carbon fiber surface generates elite-level spin and maximizes dwell time on dink shots, resets, and touch plays at the kitchen line. The 16mm core delivers a solid, consistent sweet spot that sits notably larger on the max shape than the XL. At $140, the SLK Halo is priced $30 to $80 below comparable raw carbon paddles from CRBN, Jula, and other competitors, making direct comparisons in its performance tier meaningful. Selkirk's construction quality shows in durability. Neck breaks that affect competing brands are rarely reported in the SLK line. For intermediate to advanced players who want raw carbon fiber, pro-level touch, and spin from one of pickleball's most established brands at a competitive mid-range price, the SLK Halo is the standout pick on this list. The JoncAye Graphite Light is the beginner bundle pick, a USAPA approved graphite carbon fiber set that prioritizes a large sweet spot, low noise output from the polypropylene honeycomb core, and a lightweight 8-ounce build that reduces wrist and shoulder strain across long sessions. Perforated sweat-wicking grip design maintains a firm hold during rallies without slipping, and the wide paddle face reduces mishits for players still developing their court positioning. The JoncAye set ships with paddles, indoor and outdoor balls, extra grip tape, a ball bag, and lead tape for customizable weight adjustment. One of the most complete accessory kits included at this price point. The 1-year warranty and USAPA approval label cover every paddle in the set. For groups, families, and first-time pickleball players who want a complete carbon fiber paddle set with everything needed to play indoors and outdoors immediately, the JoncAye bundle is the most complete package on this list. Closing with the VUFOXT, a 99.99% carbon fiber graphite paddle built around a honeycomb composite polymer core, optimized for a balance-focused, control-oriented playing style. The graphite carbon face enhances ball control, placement, and spin generation, and the teardrop paddle shape adds crispness and definition to shots across ground strokes and volleys. Impact bumper edge guards reinforce the paddle perimeter significantly beyond standard edge protection, and the sweat-absorbent, hand-stitched cushion grip keeps feel consistent across extended match play. USAPA approved for tournament play, the set includes 2 paddles, 4 pickleballs, and a carrying bag. At 7.8 ounces, the paddles are lightweight and maneuverable for quick kitchen line exchanges. For players who prefer a control-oriented carbon fiber paddle with premium edge protection, a teardrop shape optimized for shot clarity, and a USAPA certified tournament set at a competitive price, the VUFOXT is the considered control-first pick. All the links and purchasing details for every paddle on this list are in the description below. Those are your 5 best carbon fiber pickleball paddles for power and control in 2026. From complete beginner bundles with balls and bags to a Selkirk raw carbon paddle used by signed touring pros, the right paddle makes every shot feel more intentional. Drop your pick in the comments, and if this helped, you know where the subscribe button is.